Checking your account balance on BMO Harris is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the BMO Harris website. Open your web browser and go to the official BMO Harris website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the login button to access your account. Step 3. Navigate to account summary. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the account. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will take you to a detailed view of the account. Step 5. View your balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. Review the information to ensure it is accurate. Now you can easily check your account balance whenever you need to.